Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious cheese omelet. First, gather your essential ingredients: 2 or 3 large eggs, about 1/4 cup of your favorite shredded cheese, and 1 tablespoon of butter. You will also need a non-stick pan, a spatula, and some salt and pepper for seasoning. Having everything ready before you start cooking makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Let's get started with the preparation. Now, let's prepare the eggs. Crack 2 or 3 large eggs into a medium-sized bowl. Add a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Using a fork or a whisk, beat the eggs vigorously until the yolks and whites are fully combined and the mixture is slightly frothy. This aeration helps create a light and fluffy omelet. Next, place your non-stick pan over medium heat and melt 1 tablespoon of butter, ensuring it coats the entire bottom surface. Once the butter is melted and shimmering, pour the whisked egg mixture into the hot pan. Let it cook undisturbed for about 1 minute, allowing the edges to set. As the edges firm up, gently push the cooked egg from the sides towards the center with your spatula, tilting the pan to let the uncooked egg flow underneath. When the top is mostly set but still a little moist, sprinkle 1/4 cup of your shredded cheese over 1/2 of the omelet. Now for the final step. Carefully fold the plain half of the omelet over the side with the cheese. Let it cook for another 30 seconds to 1 minute, or until the cheese is perfectly melted and gooey. Slide your delicious cheese omelet onto a plate and serve immediately. It's a quick and satisfying meal. For more great deals, and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Enjoy your homemade cheesy creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.